Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you are probably thinking, Chris, are you completely going nuts here right now with your title here? Let me explain, you guys. Hear me out until the very end of that video, because I want to show you something in the charts. One line. If we break it, then even I turn bearish. If we break it, then even I have to say, Chris, maybe you were wrong with your worst case scenario of 37,500, 38,000 US dollars. I want to tell you exactly what I am looking out for Bitcoin right now. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high if you appreciate these second additional updates of the day. If we are smashing up 10,000 likes for today, I will continue with these things and I will continue with the grind for you. This is a promise, guys. Now let's go straight into the content. And by the way, I am here right now actually enjoying this beautiful view from my new home in Dubai, and there the sun is setting directly here on the horizon. Very happy about that. Let me quickly turn back. Very happy about that. And now, of course, let's focus on the content. This is the most important thing here. So I am going over here into the content, and this is something I want to talk about later. Stick here with me until the very end. But let's talk about Bitcoin. So we could talk about the immediate short term, of course. I could do that. You know what? I will do that quickly here. But I want to come to the very important stuff here very, very quickly. So let me talk about the 4-hourly very briefly. So as you remember, I was actually quoting this potential V-shaped recovery, bump and run reversal pattern where we were breaking down, V-shaped recovering, getting maybe one rejection maximum and then eventually breaking out. Of course, the question number one is this the rejection? Are we breaking out? Of course, this remains to see. This one is still not invalidated, actually. It is still valid, and the price target of the specific breakout is 48,800 US dollars. Let's keep this in mind though. But now I want to go over here into this daily chart, into this very important daily chart. And something I wanted to mention here, because as you remember, I was already quoting weeks back right there, this worst case scenario for Bitcoin, the 38,000 US dollars. This was happening. I didn't believe in it myself, but I said it's the worst case scenario. And of course, I talked earlier today about how I was identifying that, and it was a very, very easy one, obviously. I mean, I did not predict this to happen. I predicted this to be the worst case scenario. But if I am taking this from top to bottom, of course, we're having many things coming in confluence. We had a weekly moving average support. We had the Fibonacci golden pocket and multiple other things. I talked about it, right? So this is now checkmarked. We had this. And now Bitcoin is forming another rounding top here and coming right now down into a very important support box. What we can see here, this support has to hold. This support cannot be broken, because what you can see here, this support is formed by the resistance right here. Then we have more resistance right here. We have resistance right there. And right now, for the very first time, it is turning into support. If this one is breaking, we can consider it another rolling over Bitcoin and us potentially forming an M pattern here. If this one is breaking, I want to tell you exactly what is the exact level we cannot break. What is the exact level Bitcoin has to hold? And for this, dear ladies and gentlemen, I am pulling the Fibonacci retracement level from bottom to the top. And what the other way around, noobish mistake. So if I'm pulling this from the top to the bottom, obviously we are talking about the retracement here, then you can see that this retracement level is in perfect alignment with our support here. 37,300, the line in the sand for Bitcoin. And let me give you even more evidence and proof that this is the most important level for Bitcoin right now to hold. If I am zooming out a little bit more, let me quickly show you this here. Pulling out the VPVR, then you can see exactly at this level, a huge support is coming in on the horizontal support. If Bitcoin is breaking this, I am telling you, lights out. If Bitcoin is breaking this with volume support, going below this with volume support and closing a daily candle below that, I can tell you something, guys. Hold your horses. It's gonna be bloody. I am not saying this is going to happen. I am still obviously all in Bitcoin. I'm still bullish. I am still looking out for much higher price targets even towards the end of the year. I am looking out for 48,000, 65, 87,000 US dollars. However, this line has to be held. Just as I said a few months ago, the 28,800 US dollar has to hold. Fortunately, we held it, and you know what happened afterwards. This is what I wanted to tell you. I need to give you these warnings well in advance so you can step back, look at the charts yourself, and make your own game plan. Let me know in the comment section down below right now what you think about that. Are you bullish on Bitcoin right now? Are you bearish? Do you also think that this bull market is going to continue regardless of this China FUD right now? Or do you think that we are going to go to lower price targets? So far I'm on the bullish camp, and so far I want to strengthen your beliefs as well, because I mean, you heard about the China ban. China banned Bitcoin 2013, 2017, 18 two times, 19, 21 two times. We are talking about 7 China bans. And actually the price is always going higher and higher. Let me show you more. Who holds the most Bitcoin? Grayscale, number 1. Chinese government, number 2. Do you actually think that these smart people do not know what they are doing? In 2009 already, they mentioned Bitcoin and released regulations in that regard, or 2010 maybe, I don't want to be wrong here. So these people are of course very, very smart, and I would always reconsider, are there maybe other hidden intentions? Think about that, guys. Okay, guys, I'm recording this after the actual recording. I forgot to mention the most important thing. I'm of course not selling all my Bitcoin. I'm just selling the Bitcoin I need for living, like for food, for drink, like these things, because I am all in 100%. And of course this played out very well and I'm very happy about it. But whenever we are breaking this specific level, obviously I have to take some risk management, some risk measurements, and I would sell a small fraction of my portfolio just to be able to cover my living expenses and stuff, right? This is just something. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. Smash up the like button, leave some comments down below, share the video among your friends, and also if you want our free signals in the Crypto Alerts group, I am giving you everything for free, and in the comment section you get $3,200 in free bonuses for free if you just click the Bybit link. You can also use the VMAX link, Binance. Bybit is my favorite. If you click the link, you make your own account. After your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free. You can trade with the free bonus and with other profits for free as well, and add the Bitcoin from these potentially successful trades to your hodling portfolio. Thank you so much for that, guys. And as always, guys, bye-bye.